Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey, your computer teacher. In today's video class, we will discuss how to display the following pattern. See, if I have to display star in the first line, then 2 stars in the second line, then 3 stars in the third line, okay, 4 stars in the fourth line, and 5 stars in the fifth line. Okay, 5 stars in the fifth line. Okay, so first of all, draw the pattern which you want to display in the output screen. The second step is draw the grids. Okay, draw the rows and columns. Draw the rows and columns. Clear? So this is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row, and this is the fifth row. Okay, here R is equal to 1, here R is equal to 2, here R is equal to 3, here R is equal to 4, and here R is equal to 5. Okay, here C is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 rows are there, 5 columns are there. Now, step number 3. Step number 3, I will write the location. I will write the location of the grids in terms of R and C. In terms of R and C. So, here, this is first row, first column. This is first row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. First row, fifth column. This is second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, fourth column, second row, fifth column. Okay, this is third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, fourth column, third row, fifth column. Okay, then this is fourth row, first column, fourth row, second column, fourth row, third column, fourth row, fourth column, fourth row, fifth column. This is fifth row, first column, fifth row, second column, fifth row, third column, fifth row, fourth column, and fifth row, fifth column. Okay, now draw the outline. Draw the outline. Okay. Let me make the border. Yes, this is the border line. Okay. Now, we will try to find the relation between R and C. We will try to find the relation between R and C. Here, R and C is equal. Here, R is less than 2. Here, the value of R is less than the column value, less than. So everywhere it is less than. So we cannot write R less than equal to R greater than equal to. Yes or no? So what could be the relation between R and C? What could be the relation? Tell. That is the reason why I have drawn this boundary line. Say 5 and 6, 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. Think. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. That means the relation is R plus C is equal to 6 when the size is 5. When the pattern size is 5. When I say pattern size is 5, that means there are 5 number of rows and 5 number of columns. Okay, so R plus C is equal to 6. R plus C is equal to 6. R plus C is equal to 6. Now what about these grids? What about these locations? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, which is greater than 6. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, which is greater than 6. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, which is greater than 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, which is greater than 6. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, which is greater than 6. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, which is greater than 6. So can I write R plus C greater than equal to 6? Okay. What about these locations where we have to display star, or where we have to print stars, not stars, sorry, where we have to display spaces? Okay. What about these locations where we have to display spaces? Okay. 4 plus 1, 5, which is less than 6. 3 plus 1, it is 4, which is less than 6. 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 is less than 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is less than 6. Okay. So you can see the stars are getting printed when this condition is satisfied. Okay. Under this condition, the stars are getting printed, and if this condition is false, we have to print spaces. Okay. So this is the condition. R plus C is greater than equal to 6. When I write 6, 6 means pattern size plus 1. Okay. So within the program we will write if R plus C is greater than equal to 6, 6 means size plus 1. Okay, size plus 1. Then we will print what? Star. Then we will print star. Else we will print space. Okay, we will print space. So in this condition, if this condition is satisfied, we will print star, and if this condition is not satisfied, we will print space. So how to write the program? Listen. Okay, let me write it here. Listen. Public class pattern. Public class pattern. Okay, let me import java dot util dot scan. Okay, import java dot util dot scanner public class pattern. This is pattern 3, I guess. Yes. Pattern 3. Public static void main. Hey, don't write like this in examination. Okay, write completely. Public static void main, capital S string string array space args. Okay, let me create the object of scanner. SCANNER scanner. SCN is equal to new SCANNER, then system dot in. This is how we create the object of scanner. Okay. System dot out dot println. In examination, don't write s.o.println. No. In examination, you have to write completely system dot out dot println. Okay. Enter the size of the pattern. Enter the pattern size. Enter the pattern size, or enter the size of the pattern. Okay, int size is equal to scn dot next int. Scn dot next int. Okay. So in place of what? R less than equal to 5 or C less than equal to 5, we will write R less than equal to size or C less than equal to size. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this, or you can pause the video and write this in your notebook. Okay. Take it. Okay. Now listen. I am rubbing this part. So what we wrote, int size is equal if it is given by the user, int size is equal to scn dot next int So we will start the for loop for int r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. R less than equal to, in this example it is 5, but here we will write size, where the size is entered by the user. Okay, then R plus plus. Okay, then inner for loop, int C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Okay, C less than equal to, in this example it is 5, but here we will write C less than equal to size and then C plus plus. Okay, C plus plus. Now what was that condition? Condition was R plus C is what? 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, greater than equal to. Greater than equal to, in this case it is 6. Okay, it is 6 means 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means size plus 1. Yes or no? Size plus 1. So if R plus C is greater than equal to size plus 1 is greater than equal to size plus 1, then system dot out dot print, not println, system dot out dot print, we will print 1 star. Okay, so stars will get printed if this condition is satisfied, or we can say if we are getting true out of this condition. If we are getting false, it means we have to print space. We have to print space. Okay, this is space. Space. Okay, clear? Now, this is the block of inner for loop. In any pattern programming, just after the inner for loop, you will have to write what? System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Why? Because after printing the spaces and then star, you need to take the cursor to the next line just after the modification of the value of R. What is R? The outer for loop value. Okay? Or just after or just before. Here also you can write. Okay? Here also you can write system dot out dot println, but let me write it here. System dot out dot println. Clear? So, just before the modification of value of R, we are taking the cursor to the next line. Okay? So, here I will close the block of outer. Here I will close the block of outer. So, this is the program. Okay? Now, let me close the block of main method. Let me close the block of class. Is this clear? So, this is how this pattern is printed in the output screen. Clear? I hope the thing is clear. Now, let me show you the same thing in my laptop. Come.
Yes, listen. Open BlueJ. Okay, create a class, give any name, and then open it, maximize the screen, Control A, backspace. Listen. PUBLIC public CLASS class, public class PATTERN pattern. Okay, PUBLIC public static void main capital STRING string array space ARGS. Okay. Okay, let me directly create the object of scanner. For that, I will have to import the scanner class. Yes or no? import import java.util.scanner scanner. And then let me create the object of scanner 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 scn is equal to new scanner scanner, and then let me write system.in. System.in. Okay. Display the message system.out.println. System.out.println. Enter the size of the pattern. Enter the size of the pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. Okay. Store the size in variable size is equal to scn dot next int. This is the outer for loop. Then this is the inner for loop. Okay. Then this is the if condition. Okay. This is the else part. And this is the closing of the body of inner for loop. Then we write what? System.out.println. Okay, close the block of outer for loop, close the block of main method, close the block of class. Okay, yes or no? So this is the structure for every pattern program. Okay, this is the structure for every pattern program. Outer for loop, let me write here int r is equal to 1 semicolon, r less than equal to size. Okay, r plus plus. Clear? Then within the inner for loop, let me write int column is equal to 1, c is equal to 1, c less than equal to what? Size, c less than equal to size, and c plus plus. Okay. Within the if, we will write r plus c greater than equal to 6. What was the condition? We have discussed now, r plus c greater than equal to 6. R plus c greater than equal to 6. But 6 is a hard-coded value. We will write 6 if the pattern size is 5. What if the pattern size is 10? In such case, we will write here size plus 1. Okay, size plus 1. R plus c greater than equal to size plus 1. If this condition is satisfied, we will print the star. So system.out.print. Okay, system.out.print. Let me print one star. And here let me print system.out.print. System.out.print. What? One space. Control K. No syntax error. Let me check the output. Enter the size of the pattern. Suppose 5. Okay. In order to make the pattern look good, let me give one space after star. If you are giving one space after star, here also you will have to give 2 spaces. Okay. Clear? Now let me compile it once again. Close, right click, call the main method, click on OK, enter the size of the pattern, suppose 5. Now you can see it is looking good. Yes or no? It is looking good. Okay. Now here you can see that the stars are indented towards the right margin of the output screen. Yes or no? So in this case also, what? We will have to use if else statement. Okay. It is mandatory for us to print the spaces also. तभी जाकर के स्टार जो है वो खिसक करके राइट साइड जा रहा है, क्योंकि स्पेस जो है वो भी जगह ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है. तो इस तरह के सिचुएशन पे जहां पे आप देखो कि स्टार का जो इंडेंटेशन है वो राइट साइड में है आउटपुट स्क्रीन में, है ना, और लेफ्ट साइड में स्पेस प्रिंट हो रहे हैं, तो वहां पे इफ एल्स देना जरूरी है. क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर? ओके. नाउ लेट मी रन इट वंस अगेन. Enter the size of the pattern. Suppose if it is 10, you can see. Okay, our beautiful pattern. Clear na? So what is the condition? The condition is when r plus c is greater than equal to size plus 1. What is size? The pattern size plus 1. Clear? Clear na? So this is the program. Okay, this is the program. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.